Here's another example of a beautiful Byron Deluxe cabin kit from Cabin Life. Now this kit is 9 meters long from front to back, including the veranda, and 5 meters wide, and it's made out of 70mm thick solid Nordic spruce pine with these beautiful chalet corners. It's a really nice tight chalet corner join there. We've got the double glazed windows, nice thick double glazing, rubber sealed inside. They seal up really nicely, and it's all solid timber, so that timber is the same inside as it is outside, so there's no need for internal lining in our cabins, and the timber insulates beautifully. So we're coming around to the front here. This one's done a little bit differently, being that we've got this magnificent view over the front here, and the rail usually comes right around and then the stairs are at the front here, but we've of course closed this off and done it slightly differently for this example. We can see we've got all these veranda boards. They're beautiful 28mm thick timber in this model, and up the top you can see your timber rafters coming through. We've already sealed the beams in some colour, and then you've got your tongue and groove timber on the ceiling. We've already started putting some lights and electricity through, and you can see the inch wall just above there. We've got to cut that away as we put the light up. And these are very big. One of the comments we get with our videos is how big are the windows and how big is it in the side. And you've actually got 3.2 meters from the floor up to there. So it's quite big, and the windows are quite wide. If I step back here, we can have a good look at the doors as well. And the doors are half glass. So we've got plenty of light in this model. We've got half glass doors, we've got the inside windows here, the front windows, and another set of inside windows. So it's really bright inside, big windows. And now, doors come with locks and handles like this, key locks. They've also got this beautiful rubber seal up the inside of them in here, and there's your door handle there, double glazed as well. I'm just going to take my shoes off to go inside, and the floor is going to get done later on this evening, but we've started to seal the architrave. And you can see what we've done here is we've brought the power up through the centre of the timber, and we're going to put a power point on there. We've done that across this wall, and our light switch is actually been brought up the inside of the door architrave. Underneath here there's a C channel, and it's come up inside here. We put a hole through the wall, and we've got to our wires popping out here, which our light switch will fit over the top of there. So this is the main section of the room. We'll try and get as large a view as possible. This room is 5 meters wide by 4 meters from front to back. So it's quite a large living space, and you'll see in other videos where we've got the kitchen and dining room sort of set up in it. Now, these beautiful windows all come with hinges, locks, fittings. Got a little thing under here. We open that up, and there's our beautiful double glazed window. It's got rubber seals right around like that. We close the window again, and these are dual action tilt and turn windows. So we lock it off at the bottom there, push this button here, and open your window, and they lean forward like that. So you can get air in, but people can't break in. And these are really easy to put fly screens on. You put your fly screens on the outside. They literally just screw straight onto the outside of the window. So close that back up, push our little latch in, and that's how the windows work. So of course we've got tongue and groove timber flooring right through. It's all beautiful 28mm thick tongue and groove. We've got your light fittings through here. We're going to put some beautiful downlights in here, and a nice big solid 140 by 70mm roof beams going right through. Coming to our doors, this is our bedroom section. Beautiful timber door in here. These are really nice. So they're a beautiful timber door. Nice handle and lock assembly. Each door has its own lock and key. and yeah, really nice timber. They're about 44mm thick. Inside the room, we've got another large window here. This window is about 1300mm wide by 1 metre high, as is that one. So there's two large windows, so there's plenty of light, and it's a beautiful big room. And I'll come over and show you how high it is above the door. The door is 2 metres high, and then you've got this huge big space above it. So that's another 1200 high up there. So it's quite high and spacious, and it gives it that real beautiful raked ceiling feel. And we pan around now here to the bathroom section. We've got two nice big windows in our bathroom section. This has been specifically designed to put a washing machine, a dryer, a tub, a shower, a toilet and a vanity. It's all specifically designed to fit in here, and you will see that fitted out in some of the other videos we have. Once again, another beautiful timber door and the nice locks and fittings. Okay, so there is the Byron Deluxe cabin from Cabin Life, and I hope you enjoyed the view.